Hello, my name is Bernadette and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our Spring Summer Discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages. And I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As a part of our Spring and Summer Discovery program, we have created a Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. Today, I will be showing you how to use our Make a Neighborhood Map Kit. At the end of our demonstration, I will provide a link to our online Spring and Summer Discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit your local library to pick up a game card. Drawing a map is lots of fun and can be an important lesson in spatial thinking or understanding where objects are in relation to other objects, which is a valuable math skill. In this activity, we are going to illustrate where our home is in relation to other things and create a colorful map of the places in our neighborhood.
You will need construction paper, colored pencils, crayons, or markers. Here is an example of a map you can make. To prepare to make your map, you can look outside your window, go outside, or go for a walk. Observe the landmarks in your neighborhood. What surrounds your home? What places do you go in your neighborhood? Are there parks, fire stations, bus stops, apartment buildings, markets, cafes, library, gas stations, street signs, schools, daycares? Where are the streets, trees, and gardens? Many maps are laid out in an aerial view. If you were a bird flying in the sky, how would your neighborhood look? How would sidewalks and roads connect? What shapes do you think the buildings, pools, or parks would look like? You can make your map of your street, block, or make it to include more of your neighborhood. Draw your home at the center of a piece of paper. Start with the landmarks closest to your home, then widen your map as you illustrate the nearby locations. As you are drawing your map, think about things like what drawings or symbols will you use to illustrate the landmarks on your map. Use symbols and shapes to indicate the places in your neighborhood. Use colored pencils, markers, or crayons to provide any color and details to your map. Here are books you can read to learn more about maps, neighborhoods, or cities. Discover How They Work with 25 Projects by Kathleen M. Reily. Maker Projects for Kids Who Love Designing Communities by Megan Kopp. Maps and Geography by Ken Jennings. We hope you have enjoyed the Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at lacountylibrary.org/spring-summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.